The active foam system quickly generates fine foam to lift and separate dirt with ease. Even stubborn soiling that detergent can't handle in liquid form. Detergent is a surfactant that separates dirt from clothing fibers. Turning detergent into foam maximizes its surface area for greater effectiveness. Panasonic washing machines apply high-pressure water to detergent in 3 separate compartments, instantly whipping it into fine foam and injecting it into the wash tub. The spinning pulsator agitates the water to ensure even distribution of the foam. The active foam system produces fine foam to lift and separate the dirt. This is detergent power.
Panasonic.